Hello, Igor Young Minds. Welcome to Fast Math with Teacher One. Today we're going to talk about division of decimal by another decimal number. Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let's start by this one. I have here 208 divided by 0.8 or 8 tenths. The process of dividing decimal by another decimal is this one. First, you have to change the divisor to a whole number. This is the most important thing. The divisor should always be a whole number by moving the decimal point to the rightmost place. So you have to move the decimal point to the right to make the divisor a whole number. So just like this one. This is a decimal point, move to the right. So the divisor becomes 8. And then number 2, move the decimal point in the dividend as many places as the decimal point in the divisor that is move. So the decimal point of any whole number is always on the rightmost part. So the decimal point is here. You have to move to the right one place because you have moved the decimal point of the divisor one place also. So move the decimal point. So the decimal point should be here, and you have an empty place value here. So you have to add 0. So the dividend now is now 2080. So your numbers now are 2080 divided by 8, and you have to write that one. Okay, let us write. So your problem now is 2080 divided by 8, and then just insert zeros to the dividend if needed. So this is we have done that already, and now you have to divide like whole numbers. You have to divide 20 divided by 8, and that is 2, and 2 times 8, and that is 16, and 20 minus 16, and that is 4, and then bring down 8, and then 48 divided by 8, and that is 6, and 6 times 8, and that is 48, and 48 minus 48 is 0, and then bring down 0. Okay, and 0 divided by 8 is another 0. So the quotient of 208 and 8 tenths is just 260. Okay, let's take another example. I have this one, 0.081 divided by 0.09, or 81 thousandths divided by 9 hundredths. First, you have to change the divisor to a whole number. So the divisor is here. So you have to change this one to whole numbers by moving the decimal point to the right 2 places. So your new divisor is 9. And then you have to move the decimal point in the dividend as many places as you have moved the decimal point of the divisor. So you have moved the decimal point of the divisor 2 places. So you have also to move the decimal point of the dividend 2 places to the right 2. Okay, so the decimal point of the dividend is here now. So the remaining number for the dividend is 8.1. So you have to write that one now. So that is 8.1 divided by 9. And then write 8.1 divided by 9. And then you have to divide as in whole number. So you have a decimal point here. So you have to move the decimal point directly above the decimal point in the quotient. And then you have to divide like whole number. So that is 81 divided by 9. And that is 9. Okay, since the decimal point is in the leftmost part of a number, so you have to add 0. And then 9 times 9, and that is 81. And 81 minus 81 is 0. Okay? That is Fast Math by Teacher One. Salamat muli sa inyo. Don't forget to subscribe, and see you again on our next video.